Hi, this is Manang Mimi. In this very moment, I will gonna touch one area at a time. Because usually I don't clean our house in just one day because it's too much for me. And this area is my husband's computer room. It's really in a chaos as what you can see. Look. So what I'm going to do today is I will gonna clean this. I will gonna organize. So number one I'm going to do is clear up this everything and put it in one place. And the very top, I will not touch the one since it's heavy. Let's start. We're gonna clean everything. And then number two is group it by items, by categories. I mean, every papers. And if you have wires like this, you group it too. And then number three, after that is got to go into all the papers because there is like 2018, you don't need that anymore, but there is bills or paper that you really need it and you don't want to throw it away. So and then number four is if you want to decorate or put something in there after that, you can do it. Printer is from my father-in-law before he died. The weird thing of this printer is in the middle of the night, not all night, but in the middle of the night or very late night, like 11 or 12 o'clock, this printer print. I mean, like turn on even we unplug it in there. That's weird. Sometimes we plug it, but it turned on. The other night, while I was talking to my sister, this printer at 12 o'clock just went on and kind of like printing, like kind of like somebody is printing, but it's weird. I'm not into believing like maybe it's a little bit, because I realized when this printer went on, I remember my father-in-law's birthday is January 18th this month, and then last night it didn't turn on, that night only. And then last time too, like before Christmas, or I think Christmas before New Year, it's the printers went on again. And then my husband said Dad's printer went on last night and he stand up and unplug it, and it's kind of weird. Yeah. Okay, this is all I got in here, the papers and everything. And there is also in the corner. And also the stuff in here. Okay. Little area, but there's a lot of stuff. Yeah. And that's the finish. It's so much better than before.